Most people believe one sentence that quietly shapes their entire financial future. If I can just earn a higher salary, everything will eventually work out. But what if I told you that millions of hardworking people all over the world earn salaries for 10 years, 20 years, even 40 years, and still never become wealthy? How is that possible? How can someone work every weekday for decades and still struggle financially in retirement? How can a person receive promotions, salary increases, bonuses, and still remain financially fragile? Because the uncomfortable truth is this: your salary was designed to help you survive. Wealth requires a completely different system. And by the end of this video, you'll understand the 10 hidden reasons your salary alone was never designed to make you wealthy, and what wealthy people do differently. Let's begin.
Welcome to Financial Destiny TV, where wealth begins in the mind. We teach you how to master money.
Reason 1. A salary pays for today, but wealth is built for tomorrow. A salary is designed to solve immediate problems: food, rent, transportation, electricity bills, school fees, internet subscriptions. The moment your salary enters your account, an army of expenses is already waiting for it. Your salary is like water flowing into a bucket filled with holes. No matter how much water enters, the holes keep draining it. Wealth works differently. Wealth is money that survives after today's needs are met. Imagine two people earning the same income. Person A spends everything every month. Person B invests 20% every month into productive assets. 10 years later, their financial lives look completely different. The difference wasn't income. The difference was ownership. Salary feeds consumption. Assets create wealth. That is why wealthy people focus less on earning money and more on owning things that continue producing money, because income pays bills, assets pay lifestyles. And the next reason explains why earning more often makes people poorer instead of richer. Reason 2. Salaries are limited by time. There are only 24 hours in a day, and most people sell 8 to 10 of those hours for income. This creates a hidden ceiling. No matter how talented you are, you eventually run out of hours to sell. If your income depends entirely on your presence, your earnings have a natural limit. A teacher can only teach so many classes. A doctor can only see so many patients. An employee can only work so many hours. But an investment account doesn't sleep. A business doesn't stop selling because you're asleep. Rental income can arrive while you're on holiday. Dividend income can arrive while you're attending your child's graduation. The wealthy eventually stop selling time. They begin buying assets that work continuously. Think of salary as rowing a boat manually. Assets are installing an engine. Both move forward, but one requires constant effort. The other continues moving even when you're resting. And the next reason explains why many people accidentally trap themselves inside this time for money cycle forever. Reason 3. Salary increases often create lifestyle inflation. A promotion arrives. Suddenly, the old apartment feels too small. The old car suddenly feels embarrassing. The old phone suddenly feels outdated. The salary increases, but expenses increase faster. This is called lifestyle inflation. The dangerous thing about lifestyle inflation is that it feels like progress, but often it is simply upgraded consumption. A man earning 200,000 naira spends 180,000 naira monthly. Years later, he earns 700,000 naira. Now he spends 680,000 naira monthly. His income tripled. His financial freedom did not. True wealth builders increase investments faster than they increase lifestyle. They understand an important principle. If your spending rises every time your income rises, wealth remains permanently out of reach. And the next reason may be the biggest misunderstanding in modern society. Reason 4. Salaries are taxed before you touch them. In many countries, employees receive what's left after deductions. Taxes come first. The employee receives the remainder. Business owners and investors often operate differently. Many invest first. Many deduct business expenses legally. Many use structures that improve tax efficiency. This doesn't mean employment is bad. It simply means the financial rules are different. Imagine two people earning equivalent amounts. One receives salary income only. The other earns through businesses and investments. Over 20 years, the difference created by taxation, deductions, and investment opportunities can become enormous. Small percentages become huge numbers over decades. Wealth creation is often a game of structure as much as effort. Hard work matters, but financial architecture matters too. And the next reason explains why many people accidentally trap themselves inside this time for money cycle forever.
Reason 5. Salary depends on someone else's decision. Your employer can restructure. Markets can change. Technology can replace roles. Economic recessions can happen. A salary exists because someone else continues agreeing to pay it. That creates dependency. The pandemic reminded millions of people of this reality. People with stable careers suddenly faced uncertainty. Entire industries changed almost overnight. This is why relying on a single income source creates vulnerability. Imagine sitting on a one-legged chair. Everything feels stable until the leg breaks. Multiple income streams create stability. A side business, investments, digital products, consulting, freelancing, dividend income, rental income. The wealthy rarely rely on one source, not because they are greedy, because they understand risk. And the next reason explains why even high-income professionals often struggle financially. Reason 6. High income does not automatically create high wealth. Some doctors struggle financially. Some athletes go bankrupt. Some celebrities earn millions and lose everything. Why? Because income and wealth are not the same thing. Income is what comes in. Wealth is what remains. A person earning 300,000 naira monthly and investing consistently may become wealthier than someone earning 3 million naira and spending everything. Wealth is hidden. Income is visible. People see the car, they don't see the debt. People see vacations, they don't see credit card balances. People see designer clothes, they don't see financial anxiety. The truly wealthy often appear surprisingly ordinary because they buy assets before status symbols. They understand that looking rich and becoming rich are often opposite activities. And the next reason reveals why inflation quietly steals from salary earners every single year. Reason 7. Inflation works against salary earners. Imagine earning 100,000 naira monthly 10 years ago. Now imagine earning the same amount today. The numbers are identical. The purchasing power is not. Inflation is the invisible thief. Food prices rise, transportation rises, housing rises, education rises, healthcare rises, but salaries often grow more slowly. This means many people receive raises while becoming poorer in real terms. Your salary may be growing, but if prices grow faster, your wealth is shrinking. This is why wealthy individuals focus heavily on owning appreciating assets. Businesses can increase prices. Real estate often rises in value. Stocks represent ownership in growing companies. Assets tend to move with inflation. Cash salaries often struggle to keep up. The wealthy don't simply earn money, they position money where it can defend itself. And the next reason explains why employers and employees fundamentally play different financial games. Reason 8. Employees create value far greater than their salary. If a company pays an employee 500,000 naira monthly, that employee is almost certainly creating more than 500,000 naira in value. Otherwise, the company would lose money. Businesses exist to create profit. That means employees are often paid a fraction of the value they generate. This is not exploitation, this is economics. The owner accepts risk, provides capital, builds systems, creates opportunities. In return, the owner captures the remaining value. Employees exchange uncertainty for stability. Entrepreneurs exchange stability for opportunity. Both paths are valid, but they create different wealth outcomes. Understanding this changes how you view income forever. Instead of asking, how can I earn more salary, you begin asking, how can I create more value and own part of that value? That question changes lives. And the next reason may be the most important lesson in this entire video.
Reason 9. Salary rewards labor. Wealth rewards ownership. The wealthy own businesses, the wealthy own shares, the wealthy own intellectual property, the wealthy own real estate, the wealthy own systems. Ownership changes everything. Imagine two people working inside a supermarket. One receives monthly wages, the other owns 10% of the supermarket. The employee earns income only while working. The owner benefits from every customer purchase. The employee exchanges effort, the owner participates in growth. This is why ownership is so powerful. Assets become financial employees. As Financial Destiny TV often teaches, assets are workers that never ask for holidays, never complain, and never sleep. The goal is not to stop working. The goal is to make your money work alongside you. Because one worker can become exhausted, 10,000 financial workers cannot. And the final reason ties everything together.
Reason 10. The education system teaches employment more than wealth creation. Schools teach us how to earn. Very few teach us how to invest. Schools teach us how to write examinations. Very few teach us how compound growth works. Schools teach us how to become employees. Very few teach us how to become owners. This isn't conspiracy, it's simply history. Industrial economies needed workers. Financial freedom requires different knowledge. Budgeting, investing, entrepreneurship, asset acquisition, tax planning, cash flow management, risk management. Financial education changes everything. Because wealth is rarely built accidentally. It is usually built intentionally. The good news is this: you can learn what school never taught. You can start where you are. You can build slowly. You can build wisely. You can build consistently. As the book of Proverbs says, wisdom is the principal thing. Therefore, get wisdom. Financial wisdom is one of the greatest assets you can ever own. Because money without wisdom disappears, but wisdom can recreate wealth repeatedly. Please, the message here is not that jobs are bad. Jobs are actually valuable. Jobs build skills. Jobs create stability. Jobs provide starting capital. For many people, a salary becomes the first seed of wealth creation. The problem begins when people mistake the seed for the tree. Income is the seed. Savings are the roots. Investments are the branches. Wealth is the tree. Your salary can fund wealth, but your salary alone was never designed to become wealth. The question is no longer, how much do I earn? The better question is, how much of what I earn becomes assets? Because the answer to that question will determine your financial future. If this video challenged your thinking, type this in the comments: I will turn income into assets. And if you're serious about escaping the paycheck to paycheck cycle, subscribe to Financial Destiny TV, because the next video may completely change how you think about money forever.
Your financial destiny is in your hands.